Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, y'all, I want to holla at you for a quick minute about this new one Bath & Body Works has out. It's a perfume mist. I did pick her up with this past weekend sale. It is Milk Perfume Mist. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I have some thoughts. Before we get too deep into today's video, of course, lip look is by me. I do have a lip liner on underneath of it. It's just like a very nudie type of a shade. And I'm wearing one of my new debuts, peanut butter and jelly, baby. Yes, peanut butter and jelly. Y'all, you really went nuts for this because this ish been flying off the shelf. Flying. It literally smells like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and it tastes like one too. However, there is no nuts in this formulation. The fragrance, the scent, the taste, none of it. There are no nuts in it. So those of you who have nut allergies or you want to buy one maybe for your niece or your daughter or whatnot, then they're allergic to peanuts. There ain't no peanuts in here, baby. Yeah, so make sure you go over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some PB&J. Yes, and let's hop into this video. Okay. Y'all, if you saw my face when I did the haul and I smelled this baby, oh my God. Okay, it is fragrance with notes of sugared oats and whipped milk for a creamy, cozy scent. There is something just decadent about this scent. Now, I will say the longevity on this is maybe about 2 hours. I imagine if there's a body cream in this or a body lotion, it probably will extend that. But the scent alone, for me, is very what I would call nighttime worthy. Like after getting out the shower or getting out the tub and you getting ready to crawl in between them sheets, baby, this is what you want to smell like, sis. Especially if you got a man laying up next to you. Huh? Right here, right here. It's just creamy, sexy, feminine. You definitely get little notes of those oat notes, little notes of the oat, little notes of the oat. Girl, your girl's in a mood today. She really is. She really is. But you still also get this creamy, frothy milk type of note that's lactonic, as I describe it. That's like a really good word for this is lactonic. It has... I love scents that have that in there because it's very cozy. They make them very creamy, and I love this scent. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, yes, this is amazing, y'all. I'm so glad I do have this in my collection. I have some thoughts, though, some comparisons, because I've been seeing all over social media some people out there saying some funny things, and we're gonna let them things, we're gonna put them things to rest, baby. Put them to bed. One of the ones, y'all, I saw this on TikTok and Instagram. A lot of people were out there comparing it to lavender. Yep, that one that just came out this spring. Y'all. This has scent notes of lavender, jasmine, and vanilla. I love this scent, but honey, it is not milk. It's not. It's not. Lavender, when I first saw this come out in the stores, I smelled it once, and I was like, oh. And I think it's, I swear to this day, I smelled a bad batch, because when I went back, and I'm like, let me smell it one more time. Yo, I fell in love. Straight in love. Normally, I am not a fan of lavender fragrances. They come across very harsh to me, and I just don't like them. It has to be done a very specific way. And this one, they did it that specific way. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Because it has this, like, airy type of a creamy quality about it. The lavender's in there, but it's a background note. What I mostly get from this is vanilla. A lactonic vanilla. Now, I will say in comparison, smelling them side by side, I definitely am getting that lavender note heavier now. However, it's still tolerable for me. It's in the background. I pick it up, but it ain't that screechy, dried lavender. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. This is beautiful. But in comparison to milk, no, 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 no. Milk comes across super creamy and even more gourmand in ways than lavender. No, these are not the same. Don't be telling people that shit. You're going to get it all twisted. Along that same line, y'all, I did see people on YouTube, and YouTube Shorts specifically, saying that beautiful milk here smells like musk. Y'all, I had no words. I had no words. Musk. Scent notes on musk are musk, mimosa flower, and rice milk. And what I'm thinking is again, this is an instance of people who read scent notes and automatically just assume that they smell alike because rice milk is listed in here, and then you have oat and milk in here. Baby, they ain't the same. No. Hell no. Hell. Oh my God. Almost caused me to coughin' fit. Oh my God. No. Like, you definitely get notes of musk, like body pheromone musk in here. And I love this. I don't normally like musk scents. I like this one a lot. I like it a lot. The only thing I will say that I can see a comparison on, there is a lactonic note that's in here that has to be from that rice milk. However, the musk notes that are in here and the mimosa flower that's in here definitely overshadow that lactonic note. So yes, that lactonic note is there. However, it ain't like what's in here. No, this is like creamy, decadent goodness, whereas this definitely has that musk and those floral notes in the background. Absolutely. Very, very, very different. Very, very, very different. Now, this last one. I've seen this a lot. In fact, I've seen it a lot in comments on my own videos, especially about that haul I did, where people are saying that milk is a great dupe for Victoria's Secret's Tease Creme Cloud. Now, y'all, I freaking love this scent. Let's go over the scent notes for Tease Creme Cloud. Scent notes are meringue, vanilla, sandalwood flower, musk, and amber. And what I will say, I adore this scent. However, in Tease Creme Cloud, you definitely get notes of meringue, which are way sweeter than a frothed milk. I also pick up amber in here. I pick up that sandalwood flower, which makes it different, in my opinion, than milk. Milk is actually creamier and slightly sweeter in a fresh way, whereas Tease Creme Cloud definitely has that meringue note. It's got a heavy vanilla in it. And I definitely get notes of amber and sandalwood flower. Amber is very heavy in this scent. It's not like a harsh amber. It's more of like a subdued, creamy amber, which is beautiful. I love this scent. I wear it specifically in the fall. I love this scent. I do think these would layer beautifully. You're welcome. They both give me that same knee-jerk reaction of, yes, they do, but they are different. There is definitely more meringue type notes in here, and there's not that type of vanilla in this. Like, it's sweet, but not vanilla-y, sugary sweet, whereas I pick up sugary sweet vanilla in here. It's not prevalent. It's not the main note. However, I still do pick that up. This, I'll put it to you this way. This would be the little sister, and this would be the matured older sister, if that makes any sense to you, if that kind of puts it a little more in perspective to you. But yeah, what did you guys think of milk? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. I'm glad I have her. Like, she fire, yo. She fire. She fire. She fire. And yeah, don't forget to get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Grab you some PB&J while I still have them. Y'all, I can't guarantee I'm going to restock this. This has been a big seller all weekend, yeah. And we're at my favorite part, y'all. We're at my favorite part. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.